no bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions. Get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions. Get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning. Can you guys hear me? I can't tell. Something's going on with my thing here. I can't even tell if I'm live or not. So someone type in the chat if you can see me. Drunk Trader, Miss K, Business Lens, Futures Trader, Son of Wall Street, Tech T, what up? Can you guys see me? I have no idea. I have no idea if you can see me. It does not, something's weird going on. It's not showing up. My preview's not showing up. So I don't know if I'm live or not. I don't think I am. No, it's not showing that it's live for some reason. Oh, is it? Yeah, it is. Now it finally came up. Can you guys see me? I don't know if did it just come up or did the intro and everything actually play? Okay, so yeah, it did. All right, Casalisk, what up? Thank you. Yeah, I was like, man, I don't know. It's weird. It wouldn't work in there. So we did hit the 10,000 subscribers last night. Yeah, Casalisk, it was late. It was like midnight. What up, Mad Moxie? Alexi in the house. So we are going to be, guys, I did the majority of the giveaways last night because that's what happened. You know, we did it on whatever stream we hit it on. So we hit it last night. So we did most of them last night, but I did save a few back for you guys. I saved a few back. So we said, let's save a few back for the people who support us during New York. Let's do it. Thank you, Mad Moxie. I appreciate it. So exclamation point MM in the chat. Good morning, Clarity. I saved, what do we got? One, I think, let me see what I got left. I know I at least have one Lucid account. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One Lucid account to give away. 25K Flex. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Rapid 25K account. And we have $50 in cash. Make you holla. $50 in cash. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, Casalisk. I mean, listen, we didn't hit last night until like midnight, so thank you, Clarity. All right. Opening range right now is 40 points. I really like it to stay right there. I don't really want it to go much higher here, but we got 3 more minutes before it's actually set. Let's go. But yeah, enter the giveaway, guys. We're gonna have a couple of different giveaways today to do. Come on, NQ, stay inside the range here. Stay inside. What up, John? Coach Fred in the house. So we got 2.5 minutes here. Let's see. You'll take the rapid clarity. All right, all right. John G, we did make it last night. I stayed on until we hit it. I wasn't sure if it would stick because you never know if it's like bots or not, because we gained over 200 subscribers last night in one stream. We hit the target about 12:15-ish, something like that. Good morning, Trader 007. What was the pump from? I have no idea. I have no idea. I was in the short, guys, as you know, last night. I was holding on for dear life in that short, thinking that eventually it would come out, it would come down, and eventually it did. We ended up taking profit down here at 535, I guess, at about 6:30 this morning. It finally got me out of it at about 6:30 this morning. So we ended up we made a little few dollars, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We're actually only up $19. I'm sorry, wait. Yeah, $19 after all the fees. Because, I DCA'd a lot. But we were able to get out break even there pretty much. So let's go. Let's go. We'll see what Mancini had to say tonight, overnight there. Mancini says, while some traders are surprised by this week's run, those with basic understanding of charting weren't. It was technical analysis 101 as posted 1 week a day. ES was bull flagging 7180 to 7080. Macro targets given were 7230 hit, 7260 hit, 7310 remains above. Trade the chart, ignore the rest. There you go. And he says, note, as I say every day, because it's so important, there's nothing to do until we get an elevator down sell. I don't trade chop. I don't short. I don't trade low volume. I don't chase. I trade when we get the elevator down. Sell into a failed breakdown. That is it. Good morning, Nix. Tris in the house. Good morning. There we go. Looks like the 15-minute range is now set. 41 points. We'll take that. That's a 20-point stop effectively. 80 ticks. So let's go stop loss. Basically 80 ticks. It's good, AJ. That's a good range, 40 points. That means your stop loss is 20.75 points, and then your take profit's 41 points. However, guys, I am playing it a little bit differently today. I'm going to be going for 5 points with 1 mini, effectively 10 micros, because I only need $100 for payout from Apex. I need one $100 day. So I am targeting the $100 day today. That's what we're doing. What up, Sue? That's a lot of PP touches. It is, Husk. I had to give them out left and right. All those PP touches. So what do you guys think is going to happen today? I mean, is there anything other than bullish? I mean, like, really? Is there anything other than bullish? You know, like what can you do here? Is there anything other than bullish? I really don't know, guys. Like every dip, every micro dip, every pullback, no matter what it is, when it is, it's just, I mean, we just get balled up. Now, is it pullback Friday? I don't know. How many trades do I do average, like on an eval, unlimited on a on like funded accounts 1 to 3, something like that. Cooper shorting, good luck. Is it a pullback Friday? Do we in fact take the elevator down and we go down 600 points down into here? Do we do it? I don't know. I'm leaving yesterday's open on here in previous day close because previous day close was not touched. A couple of days before that, we still had the open on there as well. And then, you know, downside targets there. Let's mark out the London, kind of London low there. That's really the low there. London high. Did we run that already? I guess we did not run that yet. It's up top. And let's mark out the midnight candle. 64225. Seems a bit risky. Wouldn't 5 micros for 10 points be safer? Well, I'm risking 20 points. So I'm either going to make 100 or I'm going to lose 400. So it is a little risky, but the win rate is very high. This market looks like it will remain high for the midterms. Very well could. You're looking for 515. We could have the pullback. I have no idea. I don't know what to expect other than buy dips, right? Buy dips. That's all I know. Buy dips. I don't like shorting all-time highs. I do it occasionally. But I don't like doing it. Or should we call me the 10K man? That's right. Let's do it. What up, happy kids? Casaliscus back. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm going to pull this up. Again, I'm just going to take the pre-orb mechanically as always. Just go for the 5 points. It is a little, I mean, like, I get what you're saying. It's a little more risky with the bigger contracts, but I normally actually trade more than 10 micros, guys. I don't necessarily tell you guys that, but normally I'm in this trade for 20 to 30 micros, sometimes 40. So, Francis, good morning. That's how much I trust this trade to hit 10 points. So, putting it at 5 points, I think is fine. If it hits 5, it should hit 10, but we will just play it as safe as we can. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. We're going to be doing a decent giveaway today, guys. My Funded Futures, 25K Rapid. Lucid, 25K Flex. And $50 in cash. Watching today, nothing wrong with that. Thanks, Sinister Scalper. You need to have PayPal or Cash App for the cash winnings. If you don't, you can't get it. I don't know what to tell you. And it's already breaking out of the range to the upside here. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I already gave the 5 points. Stay inside the range, man. Do me right. I don't know why it's always got to make it so tricky for me. It's got to make it so tricky. Tricky, tricky. I don't really got a feel for like which way I prefer it to go, like up or down. I don't really care, I think, this morning. They're both at areas where we got room, so. Let's go ahead and take this flag off here because I don't need it anymore. Let's hit those like buttons, guys. How much we got? How many likes we got? 30 likes. We can do better than that. Disciplined future trader in the house. So yeah, we're gonna take the let me make sure the copier is actually set up correctly. I don't even see it right now. Where is the copier? There it is. All right, we're on M&Q. We got 193 as the lead. I got 193 as the lead here. 10 micros. Okay. There we go. Everything appears to be set up. Yep. Good to go. The only thing is price is already breaking out pre-market here. It's already doing it. Get back in there, bro. What up, Joyce Fernandez? Good morning. Still in the range, need a good breakout. Yeah, for sure. Starting off up 100. How's that? What'd you do there, Weeks? You already take the breakout for a little something, something? Later due in the house. Well, just ran the London. Just ran the London there, guys. Son of Wall Street in the house. Ah. So we kind of ran up there. We got 6 minutes until open. So we'll get our orders out here in about 2 or 3 minutes. Oh, let's check the news, guys. You ever log on and you forget something? You're like, man, what am I forgetting? I remember what I'm forgetting now to check the news. We have global manufacturing PMI 945, 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI 10 a.m. Atlanta Fed GDP 2-star news 11:30. Oil news at 1, and that's it. Wasn't ready for the move, so you took a small move and closed it. No. So yeah, 9:45 and 10 a.m. news to be aware of. Nine 45 and 10 a.m. news. So yeah, we'll be aware of that. So pulling back into the range here, I like it. Let's stay inside the range here, guys. That's ideal. Makes this trade way easier. As far as getting the orders down anyway, it doesn't really, I don't guess it makes a difference on the win or the loss, but it just makes it easier to get your order down. Went straight to the 10. Yeah, it paid 10 for sure. I don't take it pre-market though, usually. I'm trying to just stick to the, unless there's like some sort of clear equal highs or equal lows. But I would like for this thing to stay inside the range here. I mean, stick down there at the 27,600 and let's just wait and see. So if we can hit these opening range trade, guys, that will be another payout. We did request another one from Apex last night, $501, and already approved. So also the $2,000 did get approved. So we are waiting on $3,001 from Apex to be paid. I did get notification that the payment has been sent on the first payout request. Said 3 to 7 business days, so we'll see. If you're not familiar with the opening range, got a 40-point stop 40-point total range here. So if you're going for the 2R play, which is fine, you would have a 21-point stop with a 41-point take profit. If you're going for just a scout play like I am, I'm still going to have a 20-point stop with typically a 10-point take profit, but today I'm going to a 5-point. I have both AJ. I have a legacy one. That one took 6 days to get approval. Took max payout on that one, $2,000. And then I have two 3.0 accounts, and those both got approved same day. One of them's payment has already been sent. The other one, it has not. So, morning, Raul. All right. Let's go ahead and get these out here. Come on, bro. Don't do me that way, bro. Get back in there. We got 2 minutes here. No, Raul, I did not get up. 120 lots at 6:30. What up, R. Sanders? Come on, man. Don't do me like that, man. All right, it's breaking out already, guys. I mean, what do you want me to do? We'll get the order ready to kind of pull it back down here to see if we get a pullback. What up, Trader 007? Yeah, I didn't wake up. All right, you got a minute here until open. At open, I want to see a pullback into the range here at the 15, really back to like 600. So, Maddie's back on the train next week. Let's go. The war over? The war's over? Is the war over? All right, that's a good candle. Get down there. Come on, get down there. It's going to be a tricky one again today, guys. Probably going to have to drop it if it pulls back into the range immediately. So, 15 seconds here. Looks like it's just going to rip. All right. Here we go. Oh, you got to be kidding me, bro. Ah, you got to be kidding me, guys. It literally wicked right back to it, and I didn't drop it. Anybody tried it on ES? No, I haven't, but I've heard it works. I've heard it works. That's kind of annoying, guys. I mean, it pulled, it was so fast, like I couldn't, I couldn't do anything there. All right. Is what it is. I'll have to find another spot or either leave the short order on there. Yeah. 697 here. If he breaks, I could just buy 700, but it seems a little scary. I think through 700 go 710 pretty quickly. We're in the land of we really don't have any data. Yeah, yeah, for sure. That's a little frustrating, guys. I knew it's just so tricky when it breaks out. Like, we got the retest here, but like, I mean, like, how am I supposed to drop it right there? Just, it's so tricky to drop right there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find a spot to try to get the 5 points here. We'll see. I could have played the 700 there, the little pullback, but yeah, exactly, Luke. A little tricky there, a little tricky. Not much we can do. Could have just pressed the button, but Apple's up. Yeah, this is. I mean, it's a tricky spot there. I don't know. I mean, it seems like you just press buy, right, and be fine, right? Looks like you'll be waiting for a pullback. Yeah, look at this thing go, man. 750s. Holy cow. Visible says just click the button. Yeah. I mean, seems easy enough, right? How hard could it be? Exactly, Trev. I mean, that's all you can do, right? Just wait. I mean, I could do the same thing with 50 here, potentially. I don't know. It's tricky. You like playing $5 or more spins? ES is still pushing through here. ES still pushing through. $375. Is that means you get the jackpot? Yeah, yeah. What up, Lucky Mine? Just looking for my 5 points. Just looking for somewhere to get them. I don't know. How hard could it be, I guess? If ES gets back above 26 here, I think we squeeze, but all your hand pays come from $3.75 to $5. Dang. Start calling you Pine Tree. All right, I'm in, guys. I'm out, guys. You didn't even get to see my order. See, the order didn't even come up on the screen. Did you guys see that? The order did not even come up on the screen. That's how fast it hit take profit. That's how fast it hit take profit there, guys. That's what we like to see right there. It's called a bink. It's called a bink. Oh, yeah, 33% of the ATR goes quick. You're not wrong. So we just smashed payout there on Apex. We are now taking a $713 payout tonight on Apex. And then Take Profit Trader, the pro account is now up $1,800. We're $200 away from daily payout lockout land again. These PAs, this is day one on this one, need to get back to 52.6. This is day three on, day three on this one, need to get back to 52.6. Day one on this one, need to get back to 52.6. So four more days here, 3 more days here. Let's go, Sir J. Kostenko. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So, and then we took a little bit bigger size on the pro accounts on the 150Ks here. So trying to get those passed. This one we're $1,000 away. $1,000 away from having a third pro account for Take Profit Trader. Show you guys, we'll add in the accounts from last night just so you guys can see what we did there. So there we go, all green. I mean, it's a pretty solid P&L if I say so myself. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. Now we can relax, guys. You hit payout, the rest of the day is easy. Tranquilo. Tranquilo for the rest of the day. Welcome to the 5-second world. You took 2 longs and a short 10-point winners while I was stressing. Yeah, let's go. What up, AJ? Thank you, Room. Where were you at, Room? Room, you missed the 10K giveaway. We're gonna do some giveaways this morning, though. Gonna do some giveaways this morning. Either way. Completely locked out. Yeah, there's nothing open. I don't have any pending orders. Let's double check the chart just to make sure. Yeah, the orb trade down there went away. Just want to make sure everything's out. Got no open orders here. So we should be good. Good call. Listen, Room, I can't wait for you. I got to do the giveaway when we hit. So we did do we gained like 200 and almost 250 subscribers last night. It was insane. Almost 250. So we're at 10,056. This thing's just ripping, Trev. We were just looking for a little small pullback there just to get in. So thank you, Jamie. Thank you. Look at this thing go, man. Glad we got out of our overnight short. We got out of the overnight short down here at 535, exactly at the low. That's where my take profit was. Actually, 542. Man, that's the best funded trade I've had in a long time, where you don't even like the order doesn't even come up on the screen. I should go back and show a replay of that today and be like, let me show you guys my trade today. And literally the buy comes up and then everything disappears. Because you're out that fast. You're in and out. In and out. Guys, if you did win an account last night, you cannot win an account today. One winner. If you win this morning, you can't win. You can't win the second time. So we're going to go one winner on today's drawing. One winner per. So we're going to have a 25K Rapid, a 25K Lucid Flex, and $50 in cash Ola to give away. Let's go. I did think about you guys. I held those back last night instead of doing those. I was supposed to do those last night too, but I held those back just so I could give you guys a little something. I like to see regulars win. While I do like new subscribers and new people, I like to see you regulars win because you guys are the ones who are regularly supporting me. I gave away the good ones? No, I gave away the same thing. 25K Pro, 25K Flex, 50K Pro, 50K Flex, a couple of Rapids, and a couple of cash prizes. It's hard to go for fixed points because of the HR is crazy. That's true too. No, not the same amount, Room. I gave away 10 accounts last night. Or 10. I did 10 giveaways. But you got to understand, you also got to reward the people for helping you get to 10K, right? Like we got a real big push. People were sending out tweets. They were calling grandma and grandpa. They were getting their dogs, their cats, their goldfishes to subscribe. We did everything we could to get there. So now we're doing 2 accounts, 2 account giveaways and some cash. What up, Visible? Appreciate you. I'd give away more if I had it. I just don't have it. Trust me, we'll do more. We'll do more. We'll do more. I think I got to wait another 5 or 6 days to reload on the Lucids. Push it up here to the 800s. I mean, just a casual, 200-point ripper straight up at open. Thank you, Miss K. Oh, your friend entered last night? Probably. Yeah, winners last night were, I'll tell you guys who they were. We had CO for trading, Texas Python, Jaded T, Scalp Million, Trader Pro, Futures Trader 5522, Ethan 5884, Dark Cloud X5, Duke City Rubber, CalFam, and Justin Redo 3998. Those were the winners. I will send the accounts out today and the money out today. I wanted to make sure that the 10,000 subscribers stuck because you never know. And it did. So. Prop Trader Pro? No, I don't think it was you. Was it you? Did I call your name? I don't know. Did I call your name? Guys, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Okay, a little secret. Don't tell Husk. Don't tell Husk, okay? I don't think he's listening. He probably is. But don't tell Husk. Today, on my funded futures, I'm not going to take a trade on the challenge account. I'm going to see how Husk does. We're going to see if Husk gets the kaboom going on his account or not. A little strategy there, a little strategy. No trade is a trade. We're going to see how Husk does. He's got about $500 in drawdown. So we're going to see if he lights the fuse or if he, or if he knocks out a $200 or $300 day. I don't know. I'm not sure what he's going to do. I know clarity. I'm not really hiding it. So, yeah, simple. I got the account back. But I probably won't take a trade. The secret is safe with Larry. Let's go. Larry! I'm going to buy here when I got right here. We're going to buy one. I should have gotten in at 75. A little late. That's all right. A little late. And of course, the candle just immediately pulls back, huh? Probably should have waited for an EMA test. On this eval only trade. Okay? Eval only. I'll average in at the EMA here. I should have, actually, I might average in at 50 here. Wouldn't have quite got me anyway. Tapped into that small 5-minute gap there, holding the pivot, 59, ES back above 72. Max squeeze. Halfway through the buffer, let's go, Weeks. Can we get 10 points? Did not want to give me the 10 points there. All right, there we go. Probably should have waited for that candle, huh? I was thinking that this candle was going to close like that, and it just didn't do it. Coming into the macro, guys. A little bull flag here. A little bull flag set up. Oh, my goodness. Bob, you think we're going to dump? I don't know, man. I mean, like, is it possible? Yeah, of course. It's possible. Could we get some points shorting? Probably. Is it safer to long? Probably. It's like that short I was in last night, guys. You say I just kept averaging into it. Made no money. Made no money on that short. Got out of it break even. It's just one of those things. You got to keep, you have to be so careful. So, wow, look at that, guys. Oh, yeah, 9:45 news. Wait, I forgot about the news. That was at 9:50. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. What was that? I mean, it's just a casual, 35-point candle there, 50-point candle. Just a casual 50 points in half a second. Just a casual ripper. So tricky here, guys. Very, very tricky. Still got the... I guess we did fill the gap there at open. If you're looking to grab some points short, I think waiting for an SMT makes the most sense. Wait for a bearish SMT and let's just see. I don't know, weeks. I just take it slow, man. I don't try to go fast with it. I just take it slow. I know you get them done very fast, but I'm very, very slow with it. Was it a little bit of a delay GFL? Because I know we have 9:45 and 10, but that was at 9:50. A little weird timing. Your $14 green, let's go. Lock it down. Green Friday. 1300 has been a battle. Yeah. I just take it slow. I take it slow and get there when I get there. So, but that is nice to have another. What do we got coming tonight on this next payout request? 713 more dollars. 713 mo dollar. That puts us at $10,000 for the year, guys. Just over 10,000 subs and $10,000. Let's go. The market trapped you, Tris. That sucks. And also, I did do my math this morning. I'm at about $4,000 spent on the year, so a little better than 2 to 1 there. I'll take it. Guys, I'm spent $4,000 in 4 months effectively, and you got people who have spent $50,000, $60,000. Now, granted, I only got 10,000 in payouts, and they probably got 70, 80, 90, 100, maybe 120, maybe 150. But I try to keep my numbers more on the realistic side about like what, an everyday person might could afford and would be willing to spend, right? Difficult to spend 50, 60 grand in a month on accounts, I guess unless you're PW. He said he spent 161,000 in a month. I don't spend that much later, dude. I try to keep my expenses low. I don't spend that much because I don't have that much to spend, but there are people that do. I mean, you could short here and try to get some points, a few shekels. Good morning, Solo. Nope. That's the problem, man. Man, shorting is so tough. So tough, man. We got 28,000 in the bullseyes here. 28,000 on deck looking like. Yeah, 28 grand, guys. Looking like it's coming up. Usually go for evals that don't have monthly time limits. And that's probably a good idea later, do. More and more props are going to that one-time fee model. $15-minute breakout here. How big is the 15-minute range today? Let's see, about 200 points. 181. Very tricky here, guys. I mean, you could have bought the pullback here and maybe left a runner, but like even that, I don't know. Not a ton of room there, really, to to be honest. Not a ton of room there to get things done. Plus, there are some cheap evals that I want to be a degenerate, which is how I ended up with Apex accounts in the first place. Let's go. All right, guys, we got about 2.5 minutes here. Let's see what it does at the 10 a.m. candle. Maybe a little 10 a.m. reversal. We'll see. That could be a thing. A little 10 a.m. reversal. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM in the chat. Going to be giving away 2 accounts and $50. 25K flex, 25K rapid. And hit the like button for me and subscribe. Thank you. Mancini says we are now up a staggering 150 points off our recent failed breakdown long, 71.37. That happened at 4:20 on Wednesday. Though we are up 600 points on our original long, today's slate of targets given at 8 a.m. are all done. Bonus 72.97, 73.10, 73.28. There you go. Appreciate you, Lucky Man. That's what Adam Mancini said. She's still just squeezing, guys. I mean, like, what do you do here? What do you do here? Very difficult, very tricky. Oil flush, let's go. Alina Pulinina, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, oil's back down to $100 off that high up there. What, 107 from overnight? Well, I guess it pushed up into like the 110, 111 area. Down to $100. A little doopage. A little doopage. Got relative equal lows down there, 98, 97 area, maybe. 98 and a half. 1,500 out of 2K, let's go. Yeah, a little PMI's coming up here. Natalia Giss, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you the man. Here it is. Here's a little pullback. Let me pull one more up. Let me do something right quick, guys. Let me do something right quick. Hold on. Let me make a message here. Already feels like dog days of summer for sure. This thing's ripping. Give me a moment, guys. I'm going to try to do something. I'm trying to make some magic happen. Hold on 1 minute. No, I don't speak Russian. Only English, some broken Spanish. Trying to put something together here. We'll see. We'll see if we can make it happen or not. We shall see. Can I show you how to set up the copy trader on Quantower? I mean, yeah, it's pretty easy. You just open up the copy trader tab. You open up a new copy trader. Trash this one. Hit the plus sign. Name it, you know, what you want to name it. Use code MM. Make your lead account whatever you want it to be, and then you hit the plus down here to add followers. Select the account you want to use for your followers. Boom. Then you want to go to custom map symbols and make sure they all match. All right, hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on 1 second. Not yet, not yet. Hey, we got a guest in with us today. We got a guest.
Hey, we got a guest. Who's the guest?
Celebrity Thomas Sabo.
What are you doing, man? Did you lost the funded account again?
No, man, we hit payout this morning. Let's go.
You hit payout. That's not true. You're lying.
Bro, we slapped a payout over here. That's what we do.
Dude, I was looking for you all morning. I was like, I need to call Myth. I need to call his cell phone, whatever. But anyway.
I left you hanging in the London stream. I couldn't help it. I was too tired after hitting the 10K subs. Let's go.
Congratulations on the 10K, man. Okay, so does that mean that you're going to give away $1,000 for every viewer? Because that's what you said last time.
No. We were talking about Hungarian for rent, and that was coming from you.
Oh. Okay. Because last time you told me, oh, dude, if I hit 10K, I'm going to give $1,000 to everyone. I'm like, okay, let's see. So
actually, I heard it was 1,000 PP touches and you were going to be providing.
I don't know where you get that information. So that's wrong. That is definitely wrong.
Tom loves to touch PPs, guys, but typically just his own.
I need more detailed explanation about that. what is touching peepees? But yeah,
you don't know what a PP. Sure. Tom doesn't know what a PP is, guys.
I'm not sure. I'm not. I mean, I don't think it's. I don't want you to get banned on your YouTube. I'm not even watching you, by the way. I need to check. You're live, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess you're live. All right.
Yeah. Pull me up right quick. I want to show you something.
Yeah. Let me see it. Okay, now I see you. All right.
Oh, wait, that's not it. Hold on. One more thing here. Hold on. Let me find it. You're
just pretending to trade, right? You're not really trading. You just pretend.
Well, we'll take a trade if we see it, but we're just ripping up. So it's like, what do you do, you know?
Yeah.
What do you do? I'm trying to find, man, I swear I saved that, but maybe I didn't. I might not have saved it. Anyways, there was a thing last night, and it was I don't know if I'll be able to find it on Twitter again, but basically it was showing like average penis size per country. And Hungary came in very, very low at 3.1 inches.
3.1 inch. Dude, we gotta do some more research on this. I think it's definitely not accurate. So it's not accurate. You're on the wrong path there. And I think this kind of discussion should be made on your OnlyFans page, right?
Well, yeah, I'm recording right now. I'm going to post it later.
Are you recording it? All right. Okay. So I cannot say anything about that. We have to do the research. Yeah, I don't know where you get these informations, man. I mean, if you get it from X is all about false information. Who knows? I don't know.
Well, how do I know? Tom Room Beats wants to know. Simple Room. What happened was one day I was on Grindr. I was doing some research, and I was on Grindr. I wasn't on there for any personal reasons, and I saw Tom, and I said, man, yeah, that's kind of a handsome man right there. Let me click on his link. And it took me right to his YouTube channel. So, is it an easy transition going from talking to Terry to talking to me?
Well, it's not easy. I tell you that. It's not easy because I really have to remind myself, like, oh my gosh, are we really doing this? Because all these discussions that you're just talking about, it was totally private between you and me. I never thought that you're going to share all this in public. So,
Listen,
anyway.
I'm an open book. I put it out there for everybody to see and hear. I don't, we don't hide anything.
You see, that's the problem. You're such an open book to everybody, and I think you got to keep the secrets, especially the ones that we have, you and me. These are our secrets.
Here it is, Tom. You see it? Everybody knows
I don't
Tom.
see anything.
You don't see that on the stream?
Oh, I see it now. Okay.
Everybody knows Tom is a F. All right, guys. Which ones do you prefer, guys? A, B, C, D, or E, or F? What are you thinking?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely 101 trading education on Methodical Man's channel. If you subscribe to the channel already, it's still not too late to unsubscribe, by the way. So you can do it because this is a different type of topic there. It kind of makes me wonder if let's look at it from a different perspective. Now, I imagine you sit at your computer pretending to trade, and you download these images from male person with chest hair, and you keep these files, these images on your computer. Now, that kind of makes me wonder, like, I don't know, like, lots of questions there.
Are you insinuating you're insinuating that I like what I'm looking at?
I think you do like what you're looking at. Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
But seriously though, Tom, when are we going to get some samples of the bath water? When are you going to start selling that stuff?
It's already being packed, ready for shipping. So there's going to be a link with a website, a sales page. And I'm just kind of trying to figure out the final price. I think like $99 per bottle should be okay. What do you think?
That's a pretty good price. Look, Larry, who is that? Larry in the chat says he prefers his women with chest hair. Let's go.
I mean, everybody has their personal,
your preference. Nothing wrong with that.
Preferences.
That might be a little harder to find, but I'm sure it's out there.
I'm not sure if this stream is really about trading, but that's cool because what can you do, right? Are you in a trade? I mean, it seems like to me that your trade is just not hitting that TP there.
No, I'm not. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade, Tom. Look, here's the P&L. Look at there. There's the P&L. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? We're all green. I mean, what more is there to do?
Oh my gosh, you are killing it, man. You are killing it.
What is there more to do?
So that was not a screenshot being photoshopped. That was a real Ninja Trader.
Well, yeah, this is a screenshot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a screenshot.
Just screenshot. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
just want to make sure.
That's the only thing I show, screenshot, not financial advice.
Okay. Yeah, that's a screenshot for sure. All right. So I can do that too.
But with all seriousness, Tom, what do you have planned for this weekend? What do you got going on?
With all seriousness, I'm invited to a wedding, by the way. I'm gonna go to a wedding.
Or is that that's not Nate, right?
No, not Nate. No. It's close by, just a friend of ours. So I'm gonna be at a wedding, and I might gonna drink a little bit of an alcohol. And not so much. And then on Sunday, I might gonna go hiking. I don't know. Who knows? And what are you gonna do on the weekend?
Well, this weekend I am gonna go play a little poker on Saturday. Might vlog it, and then tonight we're going to a Georgia high school baseball playoff doubleheader. So
we're
gonna go watch the high school baseball playoffs in Loganville, Georgia. But tomorrow I will be at Harris Cherokee playing poker. Let's go.
Loganville, Georgia. Wow.
Tom, have you ever played poker?
I played, and I'm definitely I'm not so good at it, but I played poker. a little bit, and I think I'm registered to pokerstars.com or something. I still have some chips there, but yeah, that is it. I like to play poker, but the problem is mostly against the computer or something because just for fun.
Yeah,
Because
nothing wrong with that.
otherwise, yeah.
Poker can be fun. No, poker won't be on the channel Lucky Mine. They're very strict about recording. So it's hard for me to even catch any hands. Maybe if I go down to Jacksonville or something at some point, they allow you to record there. They don't care. So,
Cool.
yeah, we got to get Tom. We play occasionally on Cove Trader. We'll play in his Discord little poker tournaments. We got to get you in there. Of course, usually starts at 8 p.m. Eastern, which I guess for you is, what is that, like 2, 3 a.m.?
Yeah, I can wake up that time, no problem.
No problem. Tom doesn't need any sleep.
Yeah, I don't need to sleep at all. Yeah. But what I do need to do, I do need to go to the toilet because I drank too much coffee and water and I just can't take it anymore.
All right, everybody drop a GG in the chat for Tom. He's got to go take a dump. So we'll talk with him later on. All right, Tom. Well, thanks for jumping in.
I don't even want to know what you are talking when I'm not here. It's like...
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Of course. One
second before you go, Tom. 1 second. I want to show you one thing. Where was that at? Where was it at? Hold on 1 second. Let me find it. Here it is. Look, Tom. You see on the screen?
Oh, no. What happened there?
Do you see it?
I see it. Is that it?
Tom Sabo guarantee just smashed.
Oh, it's smashed. Nice.
Let's go.
I told you.
See?
There you go.
GG's. All right, Tom. We'll hit you up later.
I'm going to have to copyright protect that. Yeah. I will hit you up later. And we should do the London stream next week sometime. How about that?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll jump on there with you. I just got to plan it so I can wake up. So, all right, guys.
All right.
We'll see you, Tom.
Have a good one.
Bye. All right, just wanted to give you guys a little treat there. A little Tom Sabo treat for a few minutes. So, good luck versus Roswell. Maybe we'll see Pope in the finals. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, Georgia, Loganville's pretty good. I think they won a couple of state titles. I don't know. That's where Crystal's actually from, the Loganville area. So we'll see. I don't really care who wins, to be honest with you. Poor Tom came to get abused. Nah, I like giving Tom a hard time. It's just fun. It's just fun. Our normal conversations are not typically like that. They're more, along the lines of a normal conversation. But that's not what you guys want to hear. You don't want to hear us just talking normal, right? You want to hear a little sauciness. I don't know. Get a little sauce in there. So just have a little fun with them for a few minutes. I was going to show him the Peter pick, but unfortunately I can't find it. I thought I saved it last night, but I guess I didn't. I can't find it on Twitter anymore. You're expecting a bathwater giveaway? I mean, maybe next time. Maybe next time we can talk him into doing that. So, you see how Tom tried to say he has to go pee to get out of talking to us anymore? Rude. You know he doesn't have to go pee. You made enough. Let's go, Larry. Nice job. Finally starting to get a little pullback here. Back to the 9 EMA. Really the first touch of the 9 EMA here since this push up, right? I'll actually take a little 9 EMA bounce. Bottom of the range. Building out a little bit of an idiot box here. First time touching the EMA. Should give us at least 10 points, maybe. Kind of basically same spot where I took the long earlier, I think. Yeah. I think it might be the exact same entry. So I think I was wanting to be in at 75 and I was in at 78. There we go. There we go. Headphones seem to be turned up a bit. Just need 27 profit to pass a 50K flex. Let's go. You should be able to find that. 4 out of 5 past the buffer. Nice job, Weeks. So, But yeah, price action today. I mean, like if you're not already long, it's very, very tough. Larry, the blue EMA is the 9. I am on the 2-minute chart. The red is the 21 and the white is the 50. The yellow is the VWAP or the WEVOP, as Tom would say. And I like using the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's actually one of my favorite EMAs, or the 50 EMA on the 1-minute. Those are my favorite. So, Kofor, you still shorting? You're still in that short after that huge push out? Holy smokes. I mean, here's the thing, Kofor. It could come down at some point. I was kind of like, what was my thought process last night? It's like, all right, I'm in short. I don't love it, but eventually it could come down and pay me, which eventually it did. And had I held full size, I would have made some really good money. But since I didn't hold full size, Oh, you're in and out quickly. I got you. So you're just scalping. Yeah, that's probably for the best. Nothing wrong with that. I never scalp, Koper. I never scalp. I go for at least 100 points every time. At least. At least 100 points. Now, I don't disagree with you, Koper. Tough to buy up here for sure. It's a tricky spot, right? Very tricky spot. Short Andy 90 at 916. I kind of think we're going to the 28,000 today. I don't think it's outside the realm. You found the copy trade window? Oh yeah, I forgot I was telling you how to do that. Yeah, you just go to the copy trader, you create a new one, name it, and then you put your parent account, so that's your main account, and then you put your child connections. I actually have a video on this. I'll link it for you. It's gonna be difficult for me to go over it here, but I'll link you that video right quick that goes over how to use the copy trader on Quantower. I think it's like 10 minutes long. It's not very long. It's not a very long video, I don't think. You haven't used Quantower Copier in a while. How stable has it been? I'm not in love with it, especially on micros. I think it works way better on with just like a single contract. When you start getting into the Quantower copy trader with micros, I'm not a fan. That's a movie. Yeah, it's some issues with the child accounts. Yeah. Yeah, for sure, Kozoliski. And that's kind of the problem, right? It's kind of the problem. Crystal has issues with it too occasionally. So, all right, guys, going to be doing a giveaway here in about 20 or 30 minutes. Hey, Valentina Bokarova. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh. I mean, a pullback into the 840, 830 area would be a much better spot to maybe take a long, but we did just bounce off the 21 EMA, but that was on the 1 minute. Let me get back on the 5. 21 EMA on the 5 all the way down at 760. Might look for a good bounce off that 21 EMA on the 5 if we can ever pull back to it. It might be a day where you just don't get there. I do think 28,000's on deck, guys. It's just, I mean, we're probably just going to be grinding until we get there. Guys, you know what? It's Friday. It's Friday. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the stream early. Let's shotgun this thing. Let's do the giveaways right quick, and I think I'm going to end the stream early. I'm just going to get out of here. It's Friday. I'll be over on My Funded TV at 11:30. So let's go ahead and do the giveaway. So, yeah, for sure, Kofer. I mean, it's only 100 points at this point. Let me at room so he knows that we're doing the giveaways. We're not really celebrating. I just want to take a break. I'm just tired of sitting in front of the charts. Room said he's watching the video, so I don't want to do him while he's watching them. I'm going to shotgun them 1 minute at a time. Okay, here we go, Room. All right, make sure Room's here. All right, you guys ready? You're going to be able to choose between a 25K Lucid Flex, 25K My Funded Futures Rapid, or $50 in cash. It's up to you. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Go now. 1 minute. So if you've already entered, you need to enter again. What up, Flint? Enter the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. You got 1 minute. 45 seconds. We're going to make you re-enter after every draw, guys. After every draw, we're going to re-enter. $15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Patient Pays. Patience Pays. Are you here? And tell me what account you want. 25K Flex, 25K Lucid, or I'm sorry, 25K Flex, 25K Rapid, or $50 cash. Which one do you want? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Perfect name for this market. You're not wrong. So 25K Flex, 25K Rapid, or $50 cash. 25K Rapid. Gotcha. All right, guys. Get ready again. Here we go. Go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. The next options will be 25K Flex or $50 in cash. 45 seconds. $30 seconds. The countdown is on. Who's it going to be? Who's going to be the lucky winner number 2? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner is Shisu 1192. Shisu 1192. 25K 25K Flex or $50. What's it going to be? Shisu. Which one do you want, Shisu? $50. All right. Guys, if you do win, you need to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Let me put that in the chat right quick. Let me pin that. So what will be required is send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Included in said email, I want you to put, you're going to have to screenshot, top right-hand corner, click on this, screenshot this, show me that you're logged in. If you won the 50K account from, or if you're taking the 25K rapid, I need your email for My Funded Futures. If you are taking the Lucid account, I don't need anything but the screenshot. And if you won money, I need your PayPal or your Cash App. Okay. Here comes the last giveaway, guys. The last giveaway here is going to be for a 25K Flex account from Lucid. And go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Let's get a long-time viewer, someone who's here every day. I know Patience Pays is here all the time. I'm not sure about Sisu. Maybe that's an alt. But let's get an OG. Let's get an OG here for the win. An OG. A real OG. And remember, if you've already won once, you cannot win a second time. Can't win a second time here on the giveaways for the 10K. Not that if you've won before, but on the giveaway specifically for the 10K. 10 seconds, guys. Counting it down here. Counting it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Tony Gold. Let's go. Tony Gold. 410 backup phone. You have won a 50K or 25K flex. 25K flex. You have won. Congratulations, Tony. Are you here, Tony? Again, guys, I'm going to go over one more time. I tried my best, weeks. Guys, I need you to send an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Click in the top right-hand corner. Screenshot this. Show me you logged in. Include in said email if you want a My Funded Futures account. Your email if you want cash. Include your PayPal or Cash App. Those are the only two options that I have. And that's it. Yeah, right, Rubies. I saw you enter. I made sure to add you to make sure you're here. I did my best. So, guys, that's going to do it for me today, guys. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away, and I'll be back for My Funded Futures. Up $55 on this account. Locking in a $700 payout from Apex today as well. Pretty close to payout on a couple of other accounts. We're going to be able to grind to get there next week. And I'll see you over on My Funded TV after. So I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you for all the support. If you want to support the channel, you guys know all the codes to use. And we'll see you guys next time. If you guys want to, actually, I'll tell you what. If you want to, before you go, before I leave you, jump over there and bug the shit out of Husk. Flood his chat. Tell him Myth is the man. Tell him don't blow it today on My Funded Futures. Just bug the shit out of him. And I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and